Lewis traffic, Cherokee 29 Whiskey, departing to the south, final call, Lewis.
Lewis traffic, Skyek 842 Kilo Papa, departing runway 27, stay in the parent, Lewis. My 4 flight's yelling at me.
I was going to say, where's that coming from?
My 4 flight is yelling at me. I have it turned all the way up so I could hear it over the headphone. Alright, good oil pressure, good oil temperature.
Lewis, RV 95 Tango, entering left down 127, full stop Lewis.
Lewis traffic, Skyek 872 Foxtrot Alpha, we're 6 miles to the south, make a left downwind for 27 Lewis.
Where you at, Bob?
RV Smithfield left down 127, Lewis.
Lewis traffic, Skyek 842 Kilo Papa, turn left cross runway 27, Lewis.
Where do you think the Mercedes place is going?
It's going to be like right below us on, right next to the houses there. Right on the lever.
I see where that dirt was starting to move. Lewis, there in the corner.
95
Yep.
Tango, left base 27, full stop Lewis.
The field Archer 55307 departing 18. Riley Field.
Lewis traffic, Skyek 842 Kilo Papa, left down runway 27, full stop Lewis.
Morris traffic 928 Mike Foxtrot, left downwind, runway 36, Morris traffic.
Lewis traffic, Skyek 842 Kilo Papa, left base runway 27, Lewis.
Lewis traffic, Skyek 872 Foxtrot Alpha, turning left down 127 Lewis.
Lewis traffic, Skyek 842 Kilo Papa, final runway 27, Lewis.
Morris traffic 928 Mike Foxtrot, left final, runway 36, Morris traffic.
You make a left final.
Lewis traffic, Skyek 872 Foxtrot Alpha, turn left base 27 Lewis.
How fast can you turn without worrying about it?
Lewis RV crossing 927.
Not too fast. Lewis traffic, Skyek 842 Kilo Papa, clear runway 27, Lewis. Alright, they're clear. Clear left, clear right. Lewis traffic, Skyek 842 Kilo Papa, departing runway 27, going to be departing the area to the west, Lewis.
Lewis traffic, Bonanza 12 Papa Mike, clear runway 27 and runway 20. X-ray Bravo.
Whiskey's on the 45 for 36, full stop Morris.
Ready to go? Yep. We got good oil pressure. 55, rotate.
Morris standing, 7710 Whiskey. downwind, 36, Morris.
Lewis traffic, Sky 842 Kilo Papa is about 8 miles to the southwest, maneuvering for the 45 for left down runway 27 Lewis. Lewis traffic, Sky 842 Kilo Papa is on a 5-mile 45 for left down runway 27 Lewis. Lewis traffic, Sky 842 Kilo Papa is on a 3-mile 45 for left down runway 27 full stop Lewis. Lewis traffic, Sky 842 Kilo Papa is turning left base, runway 27 Lewis.
Lewis traffic, Sky 172 Bravo Fox is turning left downwind for runway 27 Lewis. Student pilot solo.
Oh, 180 degrees of flaps.
Papa Grove traffic, Cessna 68750 is about a mile and a half from the field overflying at 2,500 and down towards Teardrop 45 to 27 Papa Grove.
Now we're going to turn final. Lewis traffic, Sky 842 Kilo Papa is turning final runway 27 full stop Lewis.
Papa Grove, 33 Mike.
10 degrees of flaps.
3 miles to the southwest, entering a 45 downwind for 30 Papa Grove.
Lewis traffic, Cherokee 5029 Whiskey, 8 to the southwest, maneuvering for the 45, runway 27, Lewis.
Freeport traffic, Cirrus 413 Alpha Pop, 10 miles to the east, straight in runway 24. Free.
Left, no traffic, clear right, no traffic. You guys ready to go?
Yep.
Lewis traffic, Sky 842 Kilo Papa departing runway 27, going to be departing the area to the west, Lewis. Alright, so we're going to do this thing called a short field takeoff. We're going to bring the power up all the way.
Lewis traffic 84 Bravo Charlie, base to final, runway 27. Lewis, numbers venue.
traffic, Sky Gate 4 2 Kilo Papa is 9 miles to the southwest, maneuvering for the 45 to left down runway 27 Lewis.
Morris traffic, RV.
Who's turning base for 27 at Lewis?
That was a Falcon turning base.
Yep, Falcon on base for runway 27, Lewis.
I do not have you in sight. I just came off of the left base.
Alright, we're about a 2.5 mile base for runway 27, Lewis.
So there's a jet and a little prop plane like this one trying to come in for
the pattern to
Lewis.
be south and then rejoin.
We got you in sight, 74 Bravo.
Traffic, 1 o'clock.
Alright, I got you in sight now. I'll follow you in.
Thank you. Lewis, Falcon 174 Bravo is turning final runway 27.
Catlin traffic, Cessna 30583 is
Lewis traffic.
27 to Catlin.
Lewis traffic, Cherokee 29 Whiskey, departing to the west. Final call, Lewis.
Morris traffic, 3 Romeo November, turning final for 36 Morris.
Lewis traffic, Sky Gate 4 2 Kilo Papa is on a 6 mile 45 for runway 27 Lewis.
Lewis traffic, Skylane 7563 Sierra, 7 miles to the south, planning a left 45 downwind entry for runway 27.
Lewis traffic, Sky Gate 4 2 Kilo Papa is on a 3 mile 45 for runway 27 Lewis.
Lewis Archer 1 Tango Papa is on a 2 mile final, runway 27 Lewis.
Alright, so the airport's right in front of us here. You see it?
Yeah.
2 minutes prior to skydiving over Slovenia, Charlie 9, 2 minutes over Slovenia.
Lewis traffic, Sky Gate 4 2 Kilo Papa is left down runway 27 full stop Lewis.
Lewis traffic, Archer 1 Tango Papa, short final 27 Lewis.
Just a question, how long would it take from here to...
3 to the south on a left 45 for a left downwind runway 27.
What's up?
Lewis traffic, Sky Gate 4 2 Kilo Papa is left base runway 27 Lewis.
Lewis Archer 1 Tango Papa, clear 27, going back to 27 Lewis.
Lewis traffic, Sky Gate 4 2 Kilo Papa is turning final runway 27 Lewis.
30 degrees.
Elegant air traffic, Chaplain 85 Bravo is about 2 minutes jump. We're going to have 2 canopies in 2 minutes. 2,000 below, Elegant air traffic.
63 Sierra, left base, runway 27 Lewis.
Alright, so the university's off to the left and to the right here. And they are the ones who graciously provided the airplane today.
Right here.
That's part of it, but the most of it's on the left here. They actually just flew over part of the university.
Sierra, turning final 27 Lewis.
Morris traffic, Aero 463 Romeo November, left crosswind 361.